PAPAS 24.04 LTS is a long-term support release from Computer Manufacturer System 76, based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and engineered for both professionals and gamers, with a strong focus on workflow, hardware compatibility, and user freedom. The distribution is defined by the debut of the Cosmic Desktop Environment, DE, which has been rebuilt from scratch using the Rust programming language to be Wayland native, promising enhanced speed, security, and a modern, memory-safe user experience. It ships with updated system components, including a newer Linux kernel and drivers, and features full disk encryption by default, solidifying its reputation as a highly capable and polished Linux desktop. The main difference from the previous PAPAS 22.04 LTS, which used a GNOME-based version of Cosmic, is the transition to the all-new Rust-based Cosmic DE as the default desktop environment. This monumental shift results in a completely rewritten desktop, eliminating the need for GNOME extensions by integrating features like advanced auto-tiling and workspace management directly into the core, offering a truly Wayland native experience. Furthermore, core GNOME applications such as Nautilus and GNOME Terminal have been replaced by new Cosmic-branded apps, e.g., Cosmic Files and Cosmic Terminal, providing a more cohesive and custom-engineered ecosystem. Crucially, the new release also introduces a radical improvement in hybrid graphics support, offering seamless, on-the-fly GPU switching and per-application GPU assignment without needing a reboot, which greatly benefits laptop users and gamers.